morning, students. Today in maths our topics are ascending order and descending order. Firstly, you should know about what is order. Ordering means arranging the numbers or things one by one. Then what there are two types of order are here, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest number, and descending order means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest number. Now I will give you example that how to identify which number is smaller and which number is bigger. Here are the examples of balloons, like Sita have one balloon, Arun have two balloons, Rita have three balloons, and Vipul have four balloons. So we can identify the numbers which is smaller and bigger by their quantity. Sita have one balloon, Arun have two balloons. So one balloon is more or two balloons are more? Two are more. So two is bigger than one. Rita has three balloons. So 3 is more than 1 and 2. So 3 is bigger than 1 and 2. And here Vipul have 4 balloons. So 4 is bigger than 1, 2 and 3. So in this way we can identify that which is smaller number and which is bigger number. In same way, 1 is smaller than 2. 1 and 2 is smaller than 3. 1, 2 and 3 is smaller than 4. In this way, you can identify that which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Now students, we are taking here example to solve these numbers and arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Firstly, we will take ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest number. So here we have numbers 24, 8, 36, 20, 18. So students, arrange these numbers in ascending order means smallest to biggest. We have to take here 3 trick alerts. When we will follow these trick alerts, then we can solve them easily. What is the first trick? One digit number is smaller than two digit number. So we have to find out here which is one digit number and which is two digit number. So this is two digit number, 2, 4, these are two digits. It is one digit, it is two digit, it is also two digit, and it is also two digit. So we can write here downside 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. Okay. Now, what are they saying? What is the second alert? If the number of digits is same, compare the first digit is more smaller or bigger than other. So firstly, what were they saying? If the digit number is smaller than two digit number, that's why we are writing here 8 firstly here. Okay, because it is one digit. Now I have written here other numbers in group here. These are two digit numbers. So according to them, what is the second rule? If the number of digits is same, all are same, 2, 2, 2, 2. Compare the first digit is more smaller or bigger. Now we are solving here ascending order, so we have to compare here which is smaller. Check their first digit, 2, 3, 2, 1. So which is smaller between them? 1. So we are writing here 8, 18, because 1 is smaller. So we are writing here 8, 18. Then we are writing others which are left here 24, 36 and 20. Now 8 and 18 is solved already. Okay. Now what is left here? 24, 36 and 20. So if the number of digit is same, compare the digit is more smaller or bigger than other. So this is the ascending order. So we have to compare here 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger. Here 2 is smaller, 3 is bigger. So we have to write here in third step 8, 24, 20 and 36, because these both have same digit. First digit is same 2, 2. 24, 20, they both have same digit. That's why we are writing here, because 2 is smaller than 3. Now what is the third rule here? If the number have equal number of digits and their first digit are same, then compare the next digit. Now what are saying? We have solved here. Now what is the problem here? We have to compare 20 or 24, which is bigger and which is smaller. So we are following ascending order, means smallest to biggest. So 24, if the first digit is same, 2 is same, 2 is same, then we have to compare the next digit. Compare the next digit. So we have to compare 4 or 0. Which is smaller? 0, because 4 are more things than 0. So we will write here 20 firstly, then write 24, then write 36. So which answer we are getting here in ascending order? 8, 18, 20, 24, then 36. Now I will give you example of descending order. Descending means biggest to smallest. Now same 3 trick alerts we will use here to solve the descending order. What is the first? 1 digit number is smaller than 2 digit number. What is the first trick alert here? 1 digit number is smaller than 2 digit number. Now we are arranging numbers from biggest to smallest because it is descending order. So firstly we have to find out which is the single digit here. 38, no, it is also not. This 40, no, it is also not. These are 2 digits. These are also 2. This is also 1. These are also 2 and these are also 2. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to biggest to smallest. So we have to write the smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? 5. So we can write other numbers in starting and 5 in last. Because it is single digit and single digit always smallest, and we have to arrange here biggest to smallest. Now what are they saying? Now we have to compare their first digit, which is bigger. 3, their 4, their 3, their 2 and 5 is already smallest. So we have to find out which is the biggest number between them. 4 is biggest between them. So firstly we will write here 40. Then next is, what is 38? Then 32. Then 22. Then 5. So what are they saying? What is the second rule here? We have to find out there which is, now what is left here? These 3 digits, these 3 numbers. Now this is the biggest number, this is the smallest number. Now we have to check these are arranged properly or not. What is the third rule here? If the number of digit is same, compare the first digit is more smaller or bigger than other. We have already done. We have compared their first digit. So we have to compare here biggest. So we have to arrange. We have done here according to biggest to smallest. But what is their third rule? If the number have equal number of digit and their first digit are same, then compare the next digit. Now which numbers have same first digit 8, 3 and this 3 also. Okay, so which is smaller? How to compare? Compare their next digit 8 and 2. And what is here? Descending means biggest to smallest. So we have to arrange here biggest to smallest. So 40 is already biggest number. Comparatively 38 is bigger than 32 because 8 is bigger than 2. So we are writing here 38, then 32, and from 3 which is smaller? 22 because 2 is smaller than 3. Then 5 is single digit, so it is already smallest. So we have arranged them in descending order. So students, by following these 3 tricks, you can arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Thank you. Have a nice day.